Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Breakpoints in Visual Studio. A breakpoint is this red dot right here. This will help you run code easily and to figure out what the problem is within the code. And in order to put a breakpoint, either you can click it on the side right here on this gray bar, or right click the line of code you want it on and go here and insert it. And if you want to delete it, you can just click it again, or you can right click it and delete. Now I'm going to put a breakpoint here on line 7 and a another breakpoint right here on line 35. And you can run the debugger by either pushing this button or going to debug and push this button right here, or just push F5. Now once it starts, it will go through the line of code and it will stop right here where this yellow arrow is. It'll show you where you are in the line. And in the code, it goes through the title and it stops right here. And this button right here called Step Into, you can go through each line and go through each line to see where it goes next and what it calculates. So if I go right here, it's going to tell me I'm going to do a user input. After I push this input, it'll tell me to do a user input. And if I put a user input like 30, it'll go to the next code line. And my score, my variable, which I just put in was 30, will be showing throughout. And if I just keep on stepping in, or I can push this button right here called step over, which will go to the next line. And it's still 30, and the counts after I go past this line will go up to 1. And this total is 0 right here. If I step in, it'll go up to 30 since it added up. Now if I wanted to go through, if I don't want to go through this whole process, I can push this button right here called continue or step out. And it'll go back to the next breakpoint. And if I push continue again, it'll go put me back through here. Now if I type in -1 to end the code, it'll go through the whole thing again. Go through the whole thing again. And by doing this, I could just say I want to continue and go to the next breakpoint, which it will go right here. And I want to show you that after going through this line right here, it will calculate the average right here. And it'll show you the total and it'll show you the count and how much. And it'll show you right here the lines right here. And you could just continue and the line of code is done. And it'll show you the end results. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.